What's up guys, how have you all been? This is Prachi and in today's video I'm going to share with you all some very simple tips and tricks to make your skin glow this festive season. And when I say make your skin glow, I mean make your skin glow instantly, right here, right now. You will see in the video guys, these hacks are very easy and they give you instant results. For this I'll be using the Aqualogica Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops. Now you might remember I have actually talked about this product before on my channel, but in today's video we will be using this for all our hacks and tips and tricks because this product is literally designed to give you instant glow. So as I do my hacks, as I use this product, you'll see how immediately the skin gets radiant. So I have been using this product for a while. I'm actually using it right now also, and the finish is very natural and blended. Like you can't tell that I'm using something to get that glow. It's so amazing. And if I go back a little bit and tell you about the brand Aqualogica, some of you might already know this. Aqualogica is like known as a hydration expert. So Indian skin, I'll just tell you, Indian skin tends to be very dehydrated. So a lot of times when you buy these expensive international brands, these beauty products, and they don't seem to be working, it's probably because the skin needs more hydration. So Aqualogica is catered for that Indian skin problem of dehydration. They use a unique waterlock technology and science of aquaporins to work on the aquaporin channels of your skin. I'll not go into those details. They basically lock that hydration and that moisture in your skin to make your skin glow from within. And if you generally see all Aqualogica products, including moisturizers, sunscreens, even them, if you see, they're all like very gel based, lightweight textures which are very easy to work with. They don't leave a sticky, greasy feel behind. And talking about the Aqualogica Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops, the texture is excessively lightweight guys. It's very lightweight, and like I said, you can probably also see this, right? It gives you an instant glow, leaves a translucent and luminous finish on the skin, adding that glossy finish, that glass skin, that you want, making the skin look hydrated, making the skin glow, and it's again so natural, so beautiful, so airbrushed, and so nice. Talking about ingredients, just like all Aqualogica products, this also contains a powerful blend of fruits and actives. Okay, so they use science, technology, and nature to give you the best possible results. Papaya, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, which is such a great combination if you look at these ingredients and what the potential is. Now to understand this product better, before I move to the hacks, I just want to help you understand this guys. This is kind of like how I would define it is, it's kind of a cross between a serum and a stove cream, something like that. Okay, something like of a cross between the two. So I'll just show you how to use it and what are different ways in which you can work with this. Did you know, by the way, it can also be used for dull skin. It can be used as a primer, as a makeup base with your makeup products. Let's move into those hacks and get into that now. Starting with the first hack where you can use it as it is. Okay, I'll just show you how to use it as it is. One thing to keep in mind is to use it as it is as the last step of your skincare routine. By last step I mean face wash, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. Yes, you have to apply your sunscreen also. And if you're looking for a quick sunscreen notification, guys, is currently one of my favorite sunscreens because it's so wonderful, which is the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen. It contains watermelon and niacinamide. It also contains hyaluronic acid and is designed to illuminate and hydrate the skin. It contains SPF 50 PA+++ and gives you both UVA and UVB protection. And like you can see, it also contains the unique waterlock technology. So the sunscreen is super lightweight. It causes no sweat, no white cast. It's actually very fast absorbing, and it's fragrance free, color free, and makes your skin glow by hydrating your skin in the process of also protecting your skin from sun damage. So personally, I feel that this sunscreen with the dew drops works beautifully. It's like magic for the skin because your skin will just glow so nicely. However, if you're wearing this sunscreen, a good idea is to reapply this every 6 hours. So you reapply this every 6 hours and then you reapply the dew drops also every 6 hours. Every time you reapply the sunscreen, you can do that to just kind of freshen up your look a little bit. Now, how to actually apply these dew drops as it is, as a part of the routine like you were just talking. So apply all your skincare products including your sunscreen, and then after that, as a last step, just take a few drops of the Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops and just pat this down on your skin. Instantly your skin will start to glow, look glossy with that glass like finish. It's so awesome. It starts glowing immediately, guys. It's beautiful, and the best thing is that the look is so natural. So that's what I'm actually wearing right now. That's how I'm actually wearing it right now. And yeah, you can actually do this every single day also, not just for the festive season when you want to look extra special, but every day also. It's great, because the skin stays hydrated, taken care of, loved, and it's just amazing. Now moving to hack number 2, where you can use this with a foundation to create a custom illuminating tinted moisturizer. So just take a little bit of foundation at the back of your hand and mix a few drops of the dew drops with this, and after mixing it, just dab it gently using your fingers or makeup sponge. Let me just pause here, guys. I would highly recommend using a makeup sponge. You can use your fingers or brush also, but just makeup sponge I feel works really well when you're doing this because it gives you a more natural airbrushed feel. It's very, very natural. It just sits beautifully. Okay. So yes, what we are doing is we're just applying this as a regular foundation, preferably with a makeup sponge, and there you have it, guys. Beautiful glowing skin, and it just blends in so beautifully. You don't even have to add extra layers. It just feels so nice. It's so easy to work with. One thing that I've noticed is that a lot of times when your foundations are very thick, sometimes you end up buying foundations and you feel like, okay, it's too thick for my skin, it's too heavy for my skin. Even with that, you can use it so well because it just sits very well, adds that glow to your skin in the process, and it's just like really easy to work with. Moving to hack number 3, to use it with a concealer for that luminous hydrated under eye region. So a lot of times when we are dealing with dark circles and just tired looking eyes, it's also because this area is not hydrated. Now let's understand this. The dew drops are designed for radiance and hydration. Now imagine mixing this with your concealer. The results are going to be marvelous, right? Yes, guys, they are marvelous. So just take a little bit of concealer and mix your dew drops with them and dab this gently. For this, I actually prefer using my fingers and not a makeup sponge because I just feel like it gives me better control over what I'm doing. I like to use my ring finger because this is actually the weakest finger, and it just doesn't hurt your under eye region. So yes, we're just gonna apply this mix of concealer with the dew drops under the eyes, and instantly you'll see the skin is looking hydrated and more fresh, and your eyes are just looking more opened up and more awake. No matter how tired you are, you want your makeup to make you look fresh, right? I mean, that's not the reasons why we wear makeup. So when you do this, your skin, your under eye region specifically, starts to look more fresh, more hydrated, more awake, and it's just amazing, right? Because you're getting the benefits of so many things by just doing this one little step. And for the last and final hack, which is the hack number 4, for hack number 4, I'm gonna mix this with the blush for a lit from within glowing flush. So yes, guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit of liquid blush for this, once again the back of my hand, which has become like my makeup palette now, I think. And then I'm gonna just pat this down on my skin. Once again, you can use your fingers or you can use a makeup sponge, whatever works for you, and just blend naturally. What I would suggest is that when you're doing this, take very little at a time and blend and see how it works. Okay, so you don't end up taking too much, you don't end up taking like excess of it. You don't want to do that. So just kind of work with it and blend, and you will see your skin having that extra soft glow and looking just natural. It also makes the liquid blush sit even more naturally on the skin. So that flush on your cheeks, it doesn't look like it's coming from makeup. It looks like it's coming from wearing just your natural skin glow, basically. It doesn't look like it's coming from makeup, which I think is so amazing. So more blendable makeup, natural glowing radiance, and just beautiful looking skin in the process. So guys, what I'll do is I will put the link for this amazing product in the description box below. Like I said, it has so many uses. It's kind of like my go-to thing these days. Even when I don't feel like wearing makeup, I'll just use it as it is. Sometimes I just add it with my makeup, like I just showed you. I will put the links in the description box below. It's available on Nykaa, Amazon, but if you buy directly from aqualogica.in, you can use this coupon code, which is SWS20, for flat 20% off. When you buy from aqualogica.in, apart from saving 20% with the coupon code that I just mentioned, you also get to take part in the initiative. The idea is not just to bring hydration back into your skin, but also helping communities in need of clean water. So with each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need get access to clean drinking water, which I think is so amazing. So that's the fresh water for all purpose initiative taken up by them, and I think it's something that I definitely want to support. Keeping that aside, guys, it's also a PETA certified vegan cruelty free brand, and the products are all very, very clean, free of any nasties. So no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, and no mineral oil. And like I just said, because it provides all of that hydration and the way it has been designed with the unique waterlock technology, it's specifically formulated for the dehydrated Indian skin. Like Indian skin is dehydrated, it's just specifically formulated for the Indian skin and the Indian climate. So guys, I will put all the links, all the details in the description box below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.